Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to blur moving object on your video only using Capcut Mobile. So the way to create it, it's so simple. Let's just go to your Capcut and then import the clip that you want to blur the object on it. And then the next thing that you need to do is click the clip that you are export or import, and then go to effect button, go to video effect and add a blur effect onto your clip. I already saved a blur effect, this one, and I would like to increase the intensity from the blur, kind of like this, and then hit the check button when you're done. And then the next step that you need to do is go to your main toolbar and then click the overlay and add a same clip as the main clip, kind of like this, but set it as an overlay clip. And then the next step that you need to do is increase the size of it, make sure it's fit onto the clip or onto the screen. Okay, so let's just go to basic and go to the scale and increase it to 100%, kind of like this. And now click the overlay clip, swipe left the toolbar until you found this mask button, click it and use any style of mask that you want to use. For me, I would like to use the circle mask, and don't forget to invert it, kind of like this, so the mask is set onto the blur effect. And then the next step that you need to do is drag the mask on the exact position where the object is moving, kind of like this. So it's on this position and I'm going to set it on this one. And then the next step, add a keyframe onto this position, kind of like this. As you can see, now we have this keyframe button on it. And then again, swipe left onto the next duration where the object is moving. So let's just go to the side, I think this one, little bit far away, so we have much more faster editing time. Thing on this side, and you can, I'm going to decrease the size from the mask, kind of like this. Then again swipe left onto the exact position where do you want to put another keyframe, I think on this side. Then again, the point is you need to add this mask button following the blur, following the movement from the object, kind of like this. Now when you're done, just hit the check button, and now I'm going to show to you the preview of it. As you can see, the object is getting blurred and the blurred effect is following the motion from the object. And then for the outro of this clip, you can just split the main clip on this position and you can delete the rest of the clip, and like this. And then here on this side, you can split it and you can turn off the masking tool, so you have much more clean effect on it. Okay, and then when you're done, this is the final result of it. As you can see, the first one, the object is getting blurred and the blurred effect is following the motion from the object. And then the last part, the masking tools is disappear, or the blur is disappear. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.